Okay, peace. So, get out the house, give me some air. So next year, or should I say, start now pretty much. Start now pretty much. I'm going to be marketing, right, online. I'm going to do digital marketing. I'm going to get people signed up to Charles Schwab. Gonna be digital marketing, getting people signed up to Charles Schwab, because I don't think that anywhere in society at this point that we need to be doing anything without making money, right? So if you're not making money and or bartering consistently, this is what I'm saying, then it'll be a problem. So we need to be making money and barter. And I'm not saying your ultimate goal in life is just make money and all this, but at this point in time, with the leadership that we have and had in the United States in particular, people need to really think about how they're going to move, right, daily in life. For me, don't come ask me for money unless you're going to sign up for something like some type of account that I'm already signed up with that I can get paid off of also. I'm going to give you a referral link, because it's hard out here, right? And people need to get paid, and it shouldn't matter to you anyway, as long as you up under me, since we friends or kin. None of that stuff should matter. My job, if you ask me for something, is to make sure from what I know that you right also, if I'm right or close to right, or feel like I'm doing something right. So me expanding myself, going to school, going back to school for cybersecurity, IT, right? Information technology and cybersecurity. Being a Solidity programmer, Python programmer, and an AI enthusiast and practitioner, a student practitioner for Amazon, right? I'm one of those people that you should be listening to when I say, pretty much when I voice something. So this is what I'm doing next year. In my field, I'm not expanding myself too far. I was in real estate, so I owned a real estate company in St. Louis, one no finders, one land acquisition company. All right, no finders was buying and selling mortgage notes. Okay, different business. So I do have, you have questions about certain things, I do have certain knowledge when it comes to real estate, right? Which I will be getting back into. But other than that, I'm not trying to be anyone's jack of all trades. If I don't know, I don't know, right? I have other people I can reference for that type of different types of information, because that's their level of expertise. I know mine, right? And if I do know, it's not nothing I'm harping on. I'm gonna say what I know and what I think I know, but to be sure, I will ask the people I know. So this is the goal for me. Okay, period now, or period dot, as they say, because things have to change. Debt has to be dealt with, all of that. People talk about credit. Credit is what it is, right? Fix it, right? So that's all I want to get on here and say, because, I see people talking about relationships and credit, jobs being lost. And I've been seeing it for months. I already knew jobs was going to be lost because somebody wrote a book about it. And they usually let you know before they start, striking. So, I'm going to say peace to everybody. I'll be back with another vlog.